Shadowing practice for English fluency. Before start, please subscribe this channel. Good morning. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Open your mouth clearly. And repeat after me. Today, we are going to practice English together. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not worry about pronunciation. Do not worry about grammar. Just listen. Just repeat. Just continue. English becomes powerful when you practice every single day. Confidence grows slowly. Fluency grows slowly. But every small practice changes your future. Every sentence you repeat makes your brain stronger. Every word you speak improves your confidence. So today, give your full attention. Speak loudly. Speak clearly. And practice with energy. Let us begin. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. I can speak English confidently. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn faster. Every day I become better. Every day I become stronger. Every day I become more fluent. I practice English with confidence. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy improving myself. My future is bright. My future is powerful. I will never give up. I will continue learning. I will continue practicing. I will continue growing. Now repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I take a deep breath. I prepare for the day. I feel fresh. I feel motivated. I feel energetic. I start my day positively. I make my bed. I clean my room. I organize my things. I like a clean environment. A clean environment helps me focus. I respect my time. I respect my goals. I respect my dreams. I work hard every day. Hard work changes lives. Consistency creates success. Discipline creates greatness. Repeat again. I never stop learning. I never stop improving. I never stop dreaming. I believe in progress. I believe in patience. I believe in hard work. Success takes time. Growth takes time. Confidence takes time. But every step matters. Every effort matters. Every practice matters. I will not compare myself to others. I will focus on my journey. I will improve at my own pace. I will trust the process. Now speak with emotion. Sometimes life is difficult. Sometimes life feels unfair. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we feel weak. Sometimes we lose motivation. But we must continue. We must stand up again. We must keep moving forward. Winners never quit. Strong people continue practicing. Successful people stay disciplined. If you fall, stand up again. If you fail, try again. If you feel afraid, continue anyway. Fear disappears through action. Confidence grows through repetition. Fluency grows through daily practice. Now repeat slowly. I can do difficult things. I can improve my life. I can achieve my dreams. I can become successful. I can speak English fluently. I trust myself. I trust my effort. I trust my future. I know improvement is possible. I know success is possible. I know growth is possible. Now let us practice daily conversation. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine. Thank you. What are you doing? I am practicing English. That sounds great. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my future. I want better opportunities. I want more confidence. I want to communicate with people. That is wonderful. How long do you practice every day? I practice every single day. Consistency is important. Yes, consistency changes everything. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I really enjoy it. Learning English is exciting. Learning English opens new doors. Learning English changes lives. Now repeat with confidence. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming confident. I am becoming fearless. I speak clearly. I speak naturally. I speak confidently. I love learning new words. I love improving my pronunciation. I love practicing every day. My English is improving. My confidence is growing. My future is changing. Now imagine your dream life. Imagine your success. Imagine your confidence. Imagine speaking English smoothly. Imagine talking to anyone. Imagine traveling the world. Imagine inspiring people. Imagine making your family proud. Everything begins with practice. Everything begins with discipline. Everything begins with one small step. So continue. Continue practicing. Continue learning. Continue improving. Now repeat after me. I do not need perfection. I only need progress. Small progress every day creates big results. I am patient with myself. I am kind to myself. I celebrate my progress. I appreciate my effort. I know learning takes time. I know fluency takes time. But I will never quit. Never. Now let us practice speaking naturally. Yesterday I was tired, but I still practiced English. Today I feel better. Tomorrow I will improve more. Practice creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence creates success. I enjoy listening to English. I enjoy repeating sentences. I enjoy shadowing practice. Shadowing improves pronunciation. Shadowing improves fluency. Shadowing improves confidence. When I shadow English, my brain learns naturally. My mouth becomes more flexible. My pronunciation becomes clearer. My speaking becomes smoother. That is why I practice consistently. Now repeat clearly. I will not be lazy. I will stay focused. I will protect my goals. I will protect my dreams. Discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays strong. Strong habits create strong people. Daily practice creates success. I am building strong habits. I am building a strong future. I am building a better life. Now practice emotional speaking. Sometimes people doubt me. Sometimes people laugh at me. Sometimes people criticize me. But I will continue. I know my potential. I know my dreams matter. I know my future matters. No one can stop me. No one can destroy my determination. No one can control my future. I choose growth. I choose discipline. I choose success. Now let us continue with smooth speaking practice. I like reading books. Books improve my knowledge. Knowledge improves my thinking. Thinking improves my communication. Communication improves my opportunities. I want to become wiser. I want to become smarter. I want to become stronger. I use my time wisely. I avoid negative habits. I avoid wasting time. I focus on self-improvement. Every day is another chance. Every day is another opportunity. Every day is another beginning. Now repeat faster. I can learn quickly. I can speak smoothly. I can improve continuously. I practice every morning. I practice every evening. I practice with energy. I practice with passion. I practice with confidence. English is becoming natural for me. English is becoming easier for me. English is becoming enjoyable for me. Now speak with power. I am stronger than my excuses. I am stronger than my fear. I am stronger than my doubts. I will not stop. I will not quit. I will not surrender. My dreams are important. My future is important. My growth is important. I deserve success. I deserve confidence. I deserve happiness. Now let us practice real-life communication. Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? I am looking for the train station. Go straight ahead. Then turn left. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Practice again.
What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Are you busy today? Yes, I have many things to do. What are your plans? I will study English. I will exercise. I will work on my goals. That sounds productive. Thank you. I want to improve my life. Now continue repeating. I believe practice changes everything. I believe effort creates success. I believe discipline creates freedom. Nothing is impossible. Anything can improve. Anyone can grow. Anyone can learn. Anyone can change. The key is consistency. The key is patience. The key is repetition. Now let us practice confidence. I speak with confidence. I walk with confidence. I think with confidence. I face challenges bravely. I face problems calmly.